Welcome to lesson 2. In this lesson, we are going to install chatgpt or register for chatgpt. First thing that we need to do is go to the website chatgpt.com. There is a link provided in the text box that you can click and go to chatgpt, or just go to your URL, press chatgpt just like I've done, and enter. You will get to chatgpt. Now we are going to sign up for chatgpt. You can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, Apple, or just your email. Why we start with installing or register for chatgpt? Because this is a hands-on course. Like I said, at the end of this course, you have your own website and you can start earning tomorrow. To do this, we are going to use chatgpt for 80% of all the necessary actions. So install chatgpt or register for chatgpt, and after you register for chatgpt, we will continue to lesson number 2.